Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful flower we can get in USA. Look at the flower section guys, how beautiful, how colorful, how like multicolor. It's like a fairy tale. Oh my god, how can I define the colors? There's a lot of colors. With the colors, with the beauty, flower are like a so god gifted things. Like I love flower, especially rose is my one of the best favorite flower. This is so cute. I love roses. Rose is like a best for every occasions. Any occasion, any Valentine's Day, any of the days, we just gifted some roses. Like rose is the best gift forever. Look at the rose. It look like a so bigger with the so nice